Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Microsoft Surface Pro X. This Surface Pro is the old one. Actually, it's the one with the SQ1 processor. So Microsoft released a new one with SQ2 processor recently. It still comes in black, and but the new one comes in black and silver. The old one only comes in black, and obviously this is the old one. And we'll open the box and see what comes in it. So this is as I said, the one was the SQ processor, SQ1, and it's the 128 gigabyte and 8 gigabyte of RAM, and the screen is 13 point. I think it's 13.3 inches in diagonal. So once you open the box, you will see the actual tablet. It's a very nice design tablet, very thin and very light as well. So we'll put it on the side and see what else comes in the box. So here you have some manuals and instruction guides, and you have this tool to actually open in the back. I will show you in a second. Here in the back you can actually open, and you can change the SSD that comes with the tablet, and you could actually insert a SIM card as well. So it's basically the same tool that you could use to open the back of the tablet. And here you will have the power adapter. So this power adapter it's proprietary, obviously, to Microsoft. And on the other side you will see that you can use this extension cord to plug it in. And the good thing is that this power adapter actually comes with one USB that you could use to maybe charge your phone, but it's a small package anyway. So let's go back to the tablet now. So as you can see here, they actually give you some idea about what you will see in terms of ports. So here you can actually charge it. This is the on and off port, and you have the dual microphone with the camera, and on the side here you have the two USB-C and the volume rocker for volume. The black tablet actually is very good in terms of color, but the only problem is it's a fingerprint magnet. If you actually look on YouTube, you will see that every YouTube reviewer actually mentioned that it's a fingerprint magnet, so you're gonna have to wipe it out every now and then. And here you can see the two micro USB-C place to hook up external hard drives and monitors and so on. And you have the volume rocker here, and obviously you have the camera and the mics. And on the other side you have the power on and the location where you can actually charge it. And as I told you, obviously this comes as any Surface device with a kickstand. It's very sturdy kickstand, and this is the place where you can actually open the back in this area, and it changed the USB. It changed the SSD that comes with this tablet. So you can actually do that. And the other thing is you can actually insert a SIM card and use this to use the mobile data from the SIM card to actually go online, which is a very handy tool if you're actually traveling, to be able to use to go online on your tablet. So there is nothing else comes in the box, so the rest is just packages. So this is just a quick unboxing. So as I said, what comes in is basically the tablet. You have the the power, some instruction manuals, and that's it. The package is very actually good, but it's very simple package. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment below. I'm gonna use this tablet with the Surface Pen, the Poppy Red that I just unboxed in a different video. I'm gonna put a link to that in the description below. And we'll see the writing experience in terms of taking notes and drawing, and I'll give you my feedback. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.